Well, hello there, Jay Leno here. I've seen a lot of cars in my garage, but Tesla, they've changed the whole game. In 2025, electric cars are everywhere, and Tesla's the reason why. They turned EVs from a novelty into something people actually want to drive. But Tesla isn't just about cars anymore. With Tesla Energy, Powerwalls, and solar roofs, they're building a whole ecosystem. It's not just about selling cars, it's about a future powered by the sun and stored in batteries. As we look to 2026, the big question is, what's next? Tesla's always pushed boundaries, but now the competition is fierce. Every automaker's in the EV game, so let's see what Tesla might have up its sleeve. It's going to be an exciting year. Let's dive into what's rolling out of Tesla's factories and how these new models are shaping the future of electric vehicles. Tesla is known for pushing boundaries, and the next few years are set to be some of the most exciting yet for fans and drivers alike. The Cybertruck is finally here, making a bold statement with its futuristic design and rugged capabilities. By 2026, expect to see it everywhere, especially on job sites, highways, and even in suburban neighborhoods. Tesla is planning a whole ecosystem of accessories, from tool racks to camping gear, making the Cybertruck not just a truck, but a versatile work and adventure companion. The long-awaited Roadster could finally hit the streets, showing off Tesla's performance chops with mind-blowing speed and acceleration. This isn't just a sports car, it's a statement about what electric vehicles can achieve, promising to redefine expectations for high-performance driving. For everyday drivers, the Model 3 and Model Y are getting smarter and more refined. Expect better batteries for longer range, improved interiors for more comfort, and constant software updates that add new features and enhance safety. Tesla's commitment to over-the-air updates means your car keeps getting better, even after you drive it off the lot. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla's approach isn't about yearly overhauls but steady, meaningful improvements. Each new batch of vehicles brings subtle upgrades, making every Tesla on the road a little more advanced than the last. The Model S and X remain the flagships, getting subtle luxury upgrades and the latest tech to stay ahead of the competition. Expect even more advanced driver assistance features, premium materials, and a focus on comfort and performance. Tesla's lineup is evolving, not just expanding. Each model is being fine-tuned based on real-world feedback and data, ensuring that every new Tesla is smarter, safer, and more enjoyable to drive. They're learning from millions of cars on the road, using that data to make each new model better than the last. This constant evolution is what sets Tesla apart in the fast-moving EV market. The focus is on innovation, not just keeping up. Tesla's engineers are working tirelessly to improve everything from battery technology to self-driving capabilities, ensuring that each new release pushes the envelope. By 2026, expect a lineup that's more capable, more connected, and more desirable than ever. Features like seamless app integration, faster charging, and smarter navigation will make owning a Tesla even more compelling. The competition is catching up, but Tesla's not standing still. With every new model, they're raising the bar for what electric vehicles can do, keeping the pressure on rivals to innovate. The next wave of Teslas will set new standards for the industry. Whether it's performance, technology, or design, Tesla is determined to stay ahead. Let's see what's next. Now let's talk about the car that could change everything, the so-called Model 2. Rumored to cost around $25,000, this is Tesla's shot at true mass adoption. The secret? A radical new unboxed manufacturing process, building cars in modules like Lego to cut costs and complexity. Imagine a compact, efficient hatchback or crossover, stripped down to essentials but still unmistakably Tesla. Expect durable LFP batteries, a minimalist interior, and that signature big screen. The goal? Make EVs accessible to millions, not just a few. The timeline's been fuzzy, but with global competition heating up, Tesla's under pressure to deliver. By 2026, we could see the final design and maybe even production. This isn't just another model, it's the key to Tesla's next phase of growth. If they pull it off, it'll be a game changer for the entire industry. The world is watching. This is Tesla's most important test yet. Let's talk software, Tesla's real secret sauce. While the hardware is impressive, it's the software that truly sets Tesla apart from the competition, constantly evolving and improving with every update. Full self-driving is getting better every year, learning from millions of miles on the road. Each drive, every data point helps the system become smarter and safer, adapting to new situations and environments. By 2026, FSD could feel nearly hands-off in most conditions, even if regulators aren't ready for true autonomy. Imagine commuting, running errands, or taking road trips with the car handling almost everything, while you simply supervise. The driving experience will be transformed. Cars doing almost all the work. Drivers will become more like pilots, monitoring systems rather than steering through traffic. And then there's the supercharger network, now the gold standard for EV charging. It's not just about speed but reliability and coverage, making long-distance electric travel practical. By 2026, it'll be bigger, faster, and open to more brands thanks to the NSS standard. This means more drivers, in more types of vehicles, will have access to Tesla's charging network. Expect larger stations, more amenities, and even faster charging. Think 200 miles in 10 minutes. Charging stops will feel less like a chore and more like a quick, convenient break. Tesla's network is becoming the backbone of North American EV infrastructure. As more stations pop up, range anxiety will fade, and electric vehicles will become the new normal. More cars, more revenue, and a huge competitive edge. Tesla's early investment in charging is paying off, attracting both loyal customers and newcomers to the brand. The charging experience will get closer to the convenience of gas stations. Soon, charging your car could be as quick and easy as filling up with gas, but cleaner and more high-tech. Tesla's not just building cars, they're building the roads those cars run on. Their vision extends beyond vehicles, shaping the entire ecosystem of electric transportation. The future of driving is smarter, faster, and more connected. Cars will communicate with each other and with infrastructure, making travel safer and more efficient for everyone. And Tesla's leading the charge, pushing boundaries, setting standards, and driving us all toward a cleaner, more autonomous future. Tesla's energy business is the company's quiet powerhouse. The mission goes beyond cars. It's about transforming how we generate, store, and use energy. Powerwalls are becoming common in homes, storing solar energy and providing backup power. The solar roof is slowly gaining traction, but the real growth is in industrial-scale megapacks. These massive batteries stabilize the grid, making renewable energy reliable. By 2026, expect dozens more battery storage projects, quietly revolutionizing our infrastructure. Tesla's vision, a decentralized, resilient energy system, millions of homes and businesses connected in a virtual power plant. Home batteries could even sell energy back to the grid. This isn't just a concept, it's becoming reality for thousands. Tesla's energy empire is just getting started. It's not all smooth roads for Tesla. The journey to revolutionize the auto industry is filled with bumps, detours, and unexpected obstacles. Competition is fierce. Every major automaker now has compelling EVs and they're catching up fast. Brands like Ford, Hyundai, GM, and Rivian are investing billions to close the gap, launching new models that challenge Tesla's dominance in both performance and price. Tesla can't just rely on being the cool new thing. They need to nail-build quality, customer service, and reliability. As the market matures, customers expect more than just innovation. They want vehicles that last and support they can count on. Panel gaps and service delays won't cut it anymore. With more choices available, buyers are quick to switch brands if their experience falls short, making quality control and after-sales service more important than ever. Regulation is another hurdle. Self-driving tech is under scrutiny, and any incident makes headlines. Governments worldwide are tightening rules, and public trust in autonomous vehicles is fragile, so every misstep can have big consequences. Battery sourcing and environmental impact are hot topics too. As demand for EVs grows, so does the need for sustainable mining, ethical supply chains, and effective recycling to minimize the industry's footprint. As Tesla grows, so does the pressure to be transparent and responsible. Investors, regulators, and the public are demanding more accountability on everything from labor practices to environmental stewardship. Scaling up is a massive challenge. Building millions of cars, batteries, and charging stations while inventing new tech is no small feat. Each new gigafactory, each expansion, brings logistical and operational headaches that must be solved quickly. The risk of spreading too thin is real, especially with Elon Musk juggling multiple ventures. Balancing innovation with execution is a constant struggle, and distractions can slow progress. Tesla needs focused leadership to navigate these complexities. The company's future depends on making smart decisions, staying agile, and keeping the team aligned on their mission. The next few years will test their ability to deliver at scale. Meeting soaring demand while maintaining quality and innovation will be a true test of Tesla's resilience and adaptability. The world is watching, and the stakes have never been higher. Every move Tesla makes is under the microscope, with global implications for the future of transportation and clean energy. Success isn't guaranteed, but the opportunity is enormous. If Tesla can overcome these hurdles, they could shape the next era of mobility and redefine what's possible for the entire industry. So what's next for Tesla in 2026? Expect a bigger, more mature company facing real competition, and that's good for everyone. The Roadster and Cybertruck will be out in force, and the core models will be more refined than ever. But the real story is the affordable compact model. If Tesla nails it, they'll become a true mass-market giant. Progress in FSD and energy will be just as critical, with the supercharger network cementing Tesla's infrastructure lead. Their battery tech will power homes and cities, not just cars. Tesla's already changed the auto industry. Now they're shaping the future of energy. Ambitious timelines might slip, but the direction is clear. The next phase of the electric revolution is here, and Tesla's still in the driver's seat. Keep your eyes on the road ahead.